NFTs will change the game and will get broader adoption before cryptocurrency does. And I'll explain my logic. Take any asset, a home, a car, a boat, a music album, whatever. I'll go with the car as an example here. Imagine manufacturers have been trying to make money on the resale market for years, but they haven't come up with a way of doing so. NFTs solves that problem. Imagine the logbook of a car that you've bought is on the blockchain via an NFT. Every time that car is bought and sold, a percentage, maybe 1% or whatever amount, goes back to the manufacturer. So every time the car is bought and sold, the manufacturer that built it makes money. And you could even build into smart contract, every time they buy, I don't know, a Nissan, they get a 10% discount of future Nissans down the line. Or a music album, whenever an artist puts it as an NFT, if you buy the music album, you get 10% off future concert sales. That's how NFTs will change the game, but you just don't know yet because no one's using it and companies haven't figured it out yet. Boom.